How to remove close friends on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove close friends on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to your Instagram app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure that it is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features on Instagram. So let's just head on and click on Instagram right here. And to find your close friends, you have to be on your profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Immediately, you can see many options and you can see close friends from here. Just click on that. And if you want to remove a friend from your close friends list, just simply deselect their name right here. So just click on the check icon beside their username. So for example, if I want to remove this account from my close friends list, just click on that and you can click on done. You can also choose to click on this clear all so that you can clear or deselect all at once from your close friends list. Also, you have to note that Instagram doesn't send notifications when you edit your close friends list, so you don't have to worry about that, and you can freely remove close friends on Instagram from this page. So, for example, if you accidentally clicked on select all or like clear all, just click on select all again, and that will select all your close friends, and just deselect which one you want to remove from your close friends and just click on done once you have finalized that. That is how you can basically remove close friends on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.